Okay, so you need a few setups to have or to be completely anonymous, and one of it is TailOS. Um, we had checked that sometimes back. Then, and one way to install it, you need a tool known as Barena HR, uh, where you get to select the image that you have downloaded. In this case, being TailOS, which will be used in a USB or a pen drive, then flash it. That way, you'll be able to access it. It will boot like any other operating system just by selecting the necessary field, but use this particular tool to format it. So once you have done that, you will be able also to access websites in the dark web, etc.